Working with several text files at once. Instead of opening a separate Notepad window for every document, you can use tabs to keep everything together. In this guide, I'll show you how to create, switch, open, and close tabs in Notepad, plus a few useful tips for managing multiple files. Let's get started. First, open Notepad on your Windows PC. In versions that support tabs, you'll see a tab bar near the top of the window. If you don't see tabs, make sure your Windows and Notepad app are updated, because tab support depends on the version you're using. To create a new tab, select the plus button near the existing tab. Notepad will open a new document in the same window. You can start typing immediately, while your previous document stays available in its original tab. Yeah, it's a simple way to keep related notes together. To switch between documents, simply select the tab you want. Each tab keeps its own document open, so you can move back and forth without opening another Notepad window. If you have several tabs, use the tab bar to quickly find the document you need. You can also work with files you already have. Open a text file with Notepad, and depending on your current Windows settings, it can appear as a new tab within the Notepad window. You can also use the File menu to open another document and continue working with multiple files. When you're finished with a document, close its tab using the Close button on the tab. If you have unsaved changes, Notepad may ask whether you want to save them before closing. Choose Save if you need the changes, or discard them if you're sure you don't need that version. For easier organization, keep related documents open together and close tabs you no longer need. You can also give files clear names before saving them, so they're easier to recognize in the tab bar. Keeping the number of open tabs under control can make a big difference, and that's how tabs work in Notepad. Create a new tab, switch between documents, open existing files, and close them when you're done. It's a small feature, but it makes working with multiple text files much cleaner. So if your Notepad version supports tabs, give them a try. Thanks for watching.